welcome. Here's your Saxon lesson 102. Please make sure you have out your spelling high frequency word practice page 102. We're going to start off by going over our affix cards today. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
What is this? Suffix S.
Suffix S. Suffix E. Suffix A. Suffix Y. Suffix Suffix S. Suffix Z. Suffix E. Suffix X. Suffix X. Suffix N. Suffix 4. Suffix N.
Very good. Now our sight word cards. Again, just to review, suffixes are in the beginning or the end? They're at the end of a root word. Very good. Changes the meaning of the word sometimes. All right. You ready? Sight word cards.
Animal, red, pig, country, danger, island, listen, what, train, stranger, food, spot, spotter, pot, laptop, mountain, top, walk.
Good job. All right, let's practice some spelling sounds. Next to number 1 on spelling high frequency practice paper 102. Next to number 1, spell the sound jeune. Jeune, like version. What is it? S-I-O-N. For number 2, shun, like television. T-I-O-N. So shun, S-I-O-N, shun, T-I-O-N. They sound very close. Number 3 is E. That's E, comma, E, final, E, comma, Y. Again, that's E, comma, E, final, E, comma, Y. Number 4, Z. That's Z, comma, S. Number 5, Ch. That's C-H. Number 6. Oh, I'm sorry. This is initial ch, not final ch. I should have said that. Initial ch means the beginning of a sound. When you hear ch, it's CH. If I would have just said final ch or just ch alone, then it would have been CH, comma, TCH. You're absolutely correct. I apologize for that. So this is initial CH, which is just CH. Number 6 is K. That's K, comma, C, final, C-K, comma, K, comma, K-E, comma, C. Number 6, combination, E-R. Sorry, number 7 is combination E-R. Number 8, L, final, L-L. Number 9, I consonant, E, comma, I, final, Y. I consonant, E, comma, I, final, Y. Your paper should look like this. If you need time to copy it down, you can pause the video now. Okay, now let's practice writing some review words. Next to number 10, I want you to write the word smack. I'm sorry, not smack, smock. 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 Let's see. Bernaya, smock. S-M-O-C-K. Excellent job. Number 11, foster. Rena, foster. F-O-S-T-E-R. Foster. F-O-S-T-E-R. Number 12. Plastic. Plastic. Christian. Plastic. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Excellent. Number 13. Sight word. Fought. Fought. My dog fought with my cat. Fought. Michael fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. F-O-U-G-H-T. Number 14. Talk. Talk. Do not talk while I am talking. Talk. Destin. Talk. T-A-L-K. Excellent. 15. Mountain. Mountain. Leah. Mountain. T-A-I-N. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. All right, for the sentence on number 13, listen to me say it first. The cat jumped over the big pile of rocks. Period. Mirror. The cat jumped over the big pile of rocks. Period. Go ahead and pause the video. Write that down now. Okay, your paper should look like this. The cat jumped over the big pile of rocks. If you need some time to copy this down, you can pause the video now. Okay, so let's move on. Echo these words and listen for a sound they all have in common. Chew, flew, stew. What sound do you hear in all of these words, class? Ooh. Look at these words and see what is making the ooh sound. What's making the ooh sound, class? E and W. How many of you knew that the letters E, W could make the same sound as the long U or the long O? Very good. You're right. How many letters are in ew, class? Two. Very good. Does anyone know what ew is called? A diagraph. That's right. The letters E, W are a diagraph because they are two letters making one sound. A diagraph is when two letters come together to make one sound. So EW, ew is a diagraph. How do we code diagraphs, class?
With A. Underline them.
We underline them. So underline ew. What other coding does the word chew need? CH. That's diagraph CH. And how do we code that?
Underline them.
Underline it. Does flew or stew need any other coding? No. What do you think we will say when we see this card? Excellent. When we see this card, we will say diagraph EW. Excellent job. All right. Our new picture card. I'll give you a clue for our new picture card. This is something that people like to snack on, and some people make a kind of butter from it and eat it in a sandwich. Who thinks it's a kind of nut? Who thinks not a peanut? Good job, a cashew. So whenever we see this card, we're going to say cashew ew. Very good. The spelling, can you guys hear the ew in cashew? Yes, very good. Spelling the oo sound with the letters EW is irregular for spelling. So we have a chart in our student spelling dictionary and reference booklet that lists some of these words. Okay, let's get out our spelling high frequency word practice sheets. Find the box labeled new sounds and words. So flip to the back where it says new sounds and words. Next to number 1 where it says new sounds and words, I want you to write down the word few. I have a few of these. Few. You. Remember, it has the irregular EW that we just learned. So, JC, how do we spell the word few? Good job. F-E-W. Very easy. Number 2, write down the word stew. Stew is a kind of soup with things in them. Stew. Amariah, how do you spell stew? S-T-E-W. Excellent job, honey. Number 3, mildew. 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 Let's see. Haney, mildew. M-I-L-D-E-W. So your paper should look like this. If you need some time to copy it down, you can pause the video now. All right, let's read the words together that are on this page, starting here. You ready? Study, change, listen, mother, new. Oh, those are 2 news. The N-E-W is like, oh, this is a brand new pencil. The K-N-E-W is like, oh, I knew that. Like to know, but in the past. Young and ocean. So we're going to write each of these words one time next to the word, and then you're going to come up with 2 sentences using one different word in each sentence. Make sure to include a capital letter and a period at the end of your sentence. Make sure your handwriting is neat. Make sure you include punctuation at the end. That's either a period, a question mark, or exclamation point, depending on what your sentence is. Okay, before I let you guys go, let's practice coding the sentence. Actually, before we code the sentence, let's talk about some of the codings that we have learned. Let's review. How do we code A's that come after W's or QU's or before L's? Very good, with 2 dots. How do we code trigraphs, class? Underline them. How do we code digraphs, class? Underline them. How do we code silent E letters, class? Cross them out. How do we code combinations or diphthongs? With arcs. How do we code C's that sound like S's? With a cedilla. Very good. How do we code C's that sound like K's? With a K back. Very good. How do we code suffixes? Box them. How do we code vowels that make a squaw sound? With the upside down E. How do we code G's that sound like J's? With dots. Let's code some words like the ones you'll have on your worksheet today. So before I let you go ahead and complete your worksheet and homework page, let's practice together. So we have A. I'm going to call names from here to help me. So the word A. Jacob Haney. How do I code A? No. Close. No brief. It's a tricky one. JC, you want to help him? No. Michael. A squaw. Good job, Michael. A squaw. That's okay. Few. Rena. Few. Cross out the W? How do we code digraph EW? All we do is underline digraph EW. It's okay. Good job, though. Phones. Christian. So you have to speak louder. What? Underline PH. Macron on the O. Cross out the E. Box the suffix S. Good job. What is this word, Christian? Phones. Excellent job. Have is a sight word. Circle. Been is a sight word. Circle. Bernaya. Or. Oh, I'm sorry. Ordered. You can move around a little bit. Good. VCCV.
So, division line in the middle.
The division line between the two C's.
Accent.
Accent.
Arc under OR.
Very good. Please don't say ooh and all. Let her do it, okay?
Arc under ER.
Okay.
And then a box on ED.
Good job. Suffix ed. What's the word, Bernaya?
Ordered.
Ordered. Excellent job. Good job. There's a lot going on there.
Yes.
All right. JC, how do we do this word? Good. Arc on OR. What's the word, JC? For. That is easy. Underline, digraph. It's voice. The E has a squaw. New. Leah, new. Underline, digraph, EW. Let's see. Dominic. This word. I'm not going to say it. What is it? Or first, let's code it. How do we code it? VCCV. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good job. We learned that one yesterday. Bracket on SION. And I'm sorry, the accent goes here because it goes before the bracket. That's it, right? Very good. What's the word? Extension. Good job. At. That's a super easy one. Amaria. Breathe on the A. The. We already went over that. And Lucky Mall. Destin. Wrong. Jasmine. Mall. Wrong. Michael. Amariah. Wrong. We already said that. Haney. Two dots. Remember the A that makes the aw sound, you code it with 2 dots. All right, we're going to read this together. You ready? A few phones have been ordered for the new extension at the mall. Do you know what an extension is? So here's my phone. I have a phone. And I need to call Miss George. Let's say I need to call Miss George. Miss George is in a different classroom. I have to call her extension. She doesn't have a whole different number. She just has a different extension. That means just a different 4-digit code to her classroom. Every room has a 4-digit code. If I need to call Miss Fox, then I press the 4-digit number on here, and it'll dial to her office. If I do Miss Summerlin in the front office, I put her 4-digit numbers here, and it'll call Miss Summerlin. Now, in the mall, there are different extensions, too. Let's say that you are going to the store JCPenney. How many of you have been to the store JCPenney? Okay. How about maybe Macy's? How many of you guys have been to Macy's? With your parents or family or whoever. Okay. There's different departments in Macy's. There's the children's department. There's the kitchen department. There's the bed department. There's the little baby department, right? There's different departments in the store. Well, I just have the number for Macy's. So when you call Macy's, it's going to say please press blah, blah, blah for the extension for babies, or the extension for perfume, or the extension for women's, or the extension for men, or boys, or girls. You understand? Same thing, when you call Jean Massou Academy, you put the number for Jean Massou Academy, and when you want to reach a teacher, it's going to say, please press the teacher's extension now. It's a 4-digit number that gets you to this classroom. Do you understand? That's what an extension is. So here it says, a few phones have been ordered for the new extension at the mall. So there must be new extensions that go to different departments at the mall. You understand? Okay, very good. All right, so that's all you're going to do today. Now I will let you go and finish your worksheet and homework page. I also want you today to be working on putting your spelling word list 20 and ABC order. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you later. Bye.